to university, did a degree in engineering, and I didn't really want to work in an office, and this was something that I always wanted to do.
I think it's going to be a very challenging and rewarding career. The jobs that I've had in the past have been quite repetitive and a little bit boring, so I don't think I'm ever going to be bored doing this job. So today we were doing a level 1 water rescue. We had a casualty in the water and we've just learned how to safely get them back to shore.
Putting our arms up under the casualty and then doggy paddling back to shore with them, with the line pulling us back. Then we had to practice releasing the line and pulling the casualty ourselves. Yeah, it's different. I thought it was going to be colder than it was. It wasn't actually too bad.
It was good. I was expecting it to be a little bit colder than what it was, but the swimming aspect was a little bit tougher. So yeah, it was okay though. It was a good experience.
So training so far, it's been tough, but it's been enjoyable working with my watch. Our watch is a really good watch. We're all really close knit. We know everything about each other now.
So the training has been really tough. Like, I expected it to be tough, but certain things took me a little bit off guard. But the people that I've met during this time and on my course, we've all kind of helped each other, pulled each other through, because we've all struggled at different stages. So it's been really nice to have them there.